myself Mayur Mahajan from College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur Civil Engineering, is same third year students. So today I will solve in this numerical calculate the safe factor for circular section having diameter 44 cm and the r is equal to 22 cm, half of the diameter. The first of all, the calculate the safe factor. The safe factor is equal to elastic modulus divided by the elastic modulus. Then the calculate the first of all the plastic modulus area by 2 in bracket y by 1 plus y by 2 and the area formula pi by 4 into b square divided by 2. Get in bracket y by 1 is the 4r upon 3 pi plus y by 2 is 4r upon 3 pi. Get put the values in this formula. Pi by 4 into diameter is 44 square divided by 2 in bracket y by 1 is 1 plus 4 upon 3 pi 4 r is the 22 3 pi and plus 4 to 22 3 pi. Get the put the value and the answer is 14197.3 mm. The ZPR is the 14197.33 mm. And calculate the second step is the ZD is the elastic modulus. The elastic modulus is equal to I divided by y is equal to the formula. The moment of inertia is I and y is the diameter of the half of the diameter is y. Get the pi is pi by 64 into d power 4 and divided by y is the divided. Put the values. Pi by 64 into 22 to the power 4 into the 44 divided by 2. Get the answer is Z equal to. Get the answer is ready 8362.91 mm. The safe factor is the ZP divided by ZD. The ZP are 147.33 mm and ZD is the 8362.91 mm. Putting the values, ZP are 14197.33 divided by 20 86.9. Same factor is 1.3. Thank you friends for watching all my videos.